This is a Hamilton 912. It's 12S size. I believe it's a 15 joule. We've got some nice hands here. This is a nice little watch here. It has a mono on it. We've got a case and the movement. This is nice clean watch. Hamilton 912. These watches here are selling from this condition here. I mean, this is a minimum of $100 in my opinion. I actually like this watch a lot, but I'll be posting more watch reviews in the near future. This is a beautiful, clean Hamilton 912. Enjoy. Again, super nice dial, fancy hands. Hamilton 912, classic. Until the next one.